AI is great. It's a fantastic tool, but a lot of people use it wrong. So let's find out what it is that you're doing wrong that is not helping you learn English. The problem is rarely the tool itself. The problem is the method. Now, here are some of the mistakes that people make. Number one is only reading. How many times do I have to tell you that reading is easy, but it's passive? You have to read out loud. You have to speak the language. You have to get excited about this English. Write the responses. Interact with it. Mistake number two is asking vague questions. Now, if you ask AI something like, teach me English, it's so vague the robot doesn't even know where to start. You have to be very, very specific. Ask it something like, give me 5 useful phrases for ordering a coffee. Now, this is very specific and you'll get very specific answers. Mistake number 3 is trying to do everything. Now, a lot of people will put in questions about grammar or slang or business language or vocabulary or pronunciation or idioms and do all that in one day, and it's way too much. Slow down. Do bit by bit, step by step. I know it sounds like you're going slow, but believe me, slower and carefully is far better than fast and then forgetting it all. Now, mistake number 4 is trusting AI. Don't trust it blindly. Don't think, oh, AI's told me that this is how you say it. AI can be wrong. And remember, if you ask it the wrong question, it'll give you the wrong answer. Mistake number 5 is never using real humans. Now, AI is really useful, of course, but real people bring emotion and predictability and culture and speed. And if you need real English around you, then use music and videos, podcasts, people. There are so many different ways that you can interact in English, listen and speak. Mistake number 6 is giving up too early. I see this time and time again. People give up because they feel that progress isn't happening, but it's invisible to begin with. And you have to have confidence that even though it's invisible, it is happening. It's just little steps. So just keep going. So remember, the tool is rarely the problem. It's your method. It's how you're using it. Use AI actively. Use it consistently and use it intelligently. It can help a lot and it really will help you progress in English. Do let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions on using AI, and I will try and help you as best as I possibly can. Remember, AI is a robot. A real person is far better, but AI can help you get to that real person.